Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you how to sign up to Royal Match account. To sign up for Royal Match, first download the Royal Match application on your mobile device. Go and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Royal Match in the search bar. Once you find the application, tap on the download or install button and download the application on your device. Now tap on the open button after you are done with the download. This will then directly take you to the home page of Royal Match. After you're inside the main home page, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Save Your Progress. In order to sign up for Royal Match and save your progress, you'll need to go ahead and tap on one of these sign-in options. To sign up using Facebook, tap on Sign in with Facebook. To sign up using Google, tap on Sign in with Google. Or if you want to sign up with Apple, tap on the last Sign in with Apple option. If you tap on Sign in with Facebook, you'll need to go ahead and tap on Continue, and then it'll take you to the login page of facebook.com. Enter your Facebook account's credentials and tap on the Open button to launch Open Facebook, and then tap the Continue button on the next page and you'll be able to sign up using your Facebook. If you want to continue signing up with Google, tap on the Sign in with Google option and then in the pop-up tap Continue. Now select a Google account or enter your Google account's credential in the sign-in page. After typing in your email or phone number associated with Google, tap the Next button. Enter your Google account's password on the next page and tap the Next button. If enabled, you'll need to go through the two-step verification process. After you complete with the two-step verification, you'll be able to sign up using your Google account for Royal Match. If you choose the last Sign in with Apple option, you'll need to go ahead and continue logging in with your Apple ID. Tap on Continue in the pop-up on your iOS device and then you should be able to sign in using your Apple ID. That is how you should be able to sign up on Royal Match using either Facebook, Google or Apple ID. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.